My name is Josh and I am going to show you how to optimize YouTube, specialize in growing your YouTube channels, so people can actually spread their message out there while actually increasing the reputation of their credibility and also actually generating, traffic and money from YouTube. The 5 stacks of YouTube, or just keeping it in the hacks, will be: first of all, you have to do your research. I call it the rock, so just imagine like a rock there. It's my system called the rock. And the first one is research, which means you have to do your research on what people actually need, not what you want to tell them. What do people need? Because literally, they need is a niche and the money is in the niche. Okay, first figure out what do people want, and you can use a tool called Ahrefs or vidIQ to find that out. The second one is called, I call optimization. That's for the rock, the OK, and optimization is you have to literally optimize according to the need, according to what people are searching for. The right organic free traffic, or organic traffic, is all about being searchable, so it's actually the first. Then you have to optimize your title and optimize your tags and your description according to what people search for. So if you did step 1 is the art, which is the research, then you can do step 2, which is the actual optimization. So that would be, they'll be for sure the second. The third one is the C of content, right? So I mean, how many of you have actually heard that content is king, right? I mean, I know what Gary Vee says that a lot, but it's actually an optimized content. This game, it means that you actually create content according to what people need and want. That way for sure. The third one. Now the fourth one is the K of the rack, which I call keychain, right? Caching, which is the base, the best part, which is where you make money. It means that you actually have to CT a call to action, use all of the conversion points on your videos to actually send people to where you can contact them as fast as you can. Don't send them to other videos, don't send them to your subscribe. We don't want subscribers, we want leads. We want to turn those views into money, so that for sure that will be the fourth one. And the fifth one is consistent. Be consistent. Literally, consistency will actually, the beat will be quality, will beat an amazing video done in 2. Like if you do an amazing video 2 months, it's baby way better to do 8 horrible videos than 1 good one in 2 months. And consistency is in YouTube. You don't even have to publish more than 3 times a week, right? You can actually publish one if you commit to 1 video a week that is between 5 to 10 minutes. That's it, and it has gone through rock, meaning you've done the research. Okay, you know what the hell people are wanting, right? You have optimized a title of the description, the tags. You have actually created optimized content and content according to what they're searching for, and you're consistent on. That's it, you will win. So let us apply the mass free YouTube high ticket sales getting formula in 55 minutes or less without spending a penny, showing your face, or even owning a product. So click on the link below. Owning a